Welcome back. In one of the previous video segments, we have seen the working of an 8421 code, which is a BCD code. So here in this lecture, let us see the working of a 2421 code, which is also called as an icon code. Right? So this first two is distinguished from this two by writing an asterisk. So let us see how we can write the table. So I have decimal digits 0 to 9. So before that, where is this 2421 code used? So this 2421 code is used in digital clocks and calculators. So it is used in digital clocks. So this 2421 code or icon code is used in digital clocks and calculators and is also a self-complementing code. So the codes are self-complementary. So what do we mean by self-complementary? Let us see. Now here, let me try to fill in this table. So decimal 0 is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1 can be written as 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 is of course 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. And 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Now from 5 onwards, there are two different ways of writing them. Alright, so I will write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a particular way. So I will write 5 as 1, 0, 1, 1. Correct? Because 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 plus 1 gives me 5. We also can represent 5 as 0, 1, 0, 1. 6, I write 6 as 1, 1, 0, 0. Of course, 6 also can be written as 0, 1, 1, 0, the usual binary representation. 7 is written as 1, 1, 0, 1, right? 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. But 7 can also be written as 0, 1, 1, 1. 8 is written as 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the only way by which we can write 8, and 9, all of them should be 1. Now as far as 5, 6 and 7 is concerned, we also can write the representation like this. But this is what is used. Now why is that so? Let us observe. Now if we observe the representation of 5 and 4, we identify that they are just complementary, isn't it? So here I have 0, 1, 0, 0, but here I have 1, 0, 1, 1. So that is what we mean by saying they are self-complementing. Right? So 2421 code is a complementary code, and that is the reason why we use this representation. Now when I consider 3 and 6, again they are complementary. Here I have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 2 and 7, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, again complementary. 1 and 8, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, again complementary. And then I have all zeros and all ones. So therefore we observe that the 2421 code is self-complementing. So we observe that a 2421 code is self-complementing or is complementary, and this is how we can represent all the decimal digits 0 to 9 in this way. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of further uploads. And to check all the other videos in digital electronics or digital logic, click on the I icon or check the playlist digital electronics. You'll find all the videos there.